Hello my lovelies, so today I'm going to be unboxing my Makeup Revolution haul. So let's take the paper out. It's only two things. I'm going to save the best to last. So I did a video a few days ago and I was saying, you know, the only thing that's really missing, because I've got quite a lot of number 7 makeup in my collection. I already did have a lot of number 7 makeup in my collection before I joined the Rev Gen program. I wouldn't mind trying some of their skincare, and I came across this little sweetheart. Looks like that. I think they brought it out for Christmas, and it says to and from on there, and it had gone down 50%, so it's £20 to begin with, and it had gone down to £10, and it's all their little minis, if you can see that there. So yeah, it's all their minis. It includes 5 skin heroes for happy, healthy looking skin. This one though is full size, so the full size grand format espresso eye lift, and then all the others are minis. Although the minis, so Magic Makeup Cleansing Balm, Magic Makeup Melt Cleanser, that's 20 mils. That's pretty much full size, right? Most cleansers are 30 mils. I've seen the odd one at 50 mils. Then you've got the bouncy drops, this one here. I can't wait to use this, I honestly can't. That's 40 mils. But it only looks small. Then we've got this. This is what I'm really excited to use. It's a brightening serum. I love anything that brightens my skin. So that one is just a baby. It's 10 mils. Plump Up Tone Moisturiser is 20 mils. And then this one is full size at 15 mils. The Espresso Eye Lift. So I feel like I've got a bargain. So obviously it tells you the steps down here. Cleanse, tone, serum, moisturise. And then on here as well. So you can't go wrong if you don't know what you're doing with skincare. I mean, I haven't always used skincare. It's only really these last few years I've gotten into it. I used to use Dove. I'm the type of girl that would use a bar of Dove soap. And I know I've got a few breakouts now, but I've also been that type of girly that, luckily for me, doesn't break out. Maybe I'm breaking out now as I get older. It just says as well, happy, healthy looking skin. Yeah, I'm just really looking forward to trying it. Have any of you guys tried this? And then why I bought the skincare, because I really wanted this palette. I can't remember how much it was to begin with. It is beautiful. Sunset Haze, Revolution Sunset Haze. So this was £4.50, guys. £4.50. I will be doing a look with it because it's beautiful. And then it's got a mirror. But look, right, I don't know which way to do it. Look at those shades. This one here, it looks champagne through the camera. That one's a no, I'm looking at the wrong one. Sorry, this one, I think that one's a duochrome. This entire palette is absolutely stunning. Are you fed up with seeing it yet? Let me know if you want to see swatches, because I can show you the swatches before I even look at doing the eyeshadow look. It is full of dark eyeshadows, so like these dark browns here. I mean, that doesn't look that dark through the camera, but I would like to go in with a lighter brown than that. So I'd probably use another palette with it. And then like this one here, this isn't normally my type of shade, but it would probably go well with a matte purple eyeshadow palette as well. So I'm going to see what I've got in my Makeup Revolution eyeshadows. I don't know if I've got any purples because it's only recently I started liking purple eyeshadow, but the rest of the eyeshadows, I like this, and I like this actually as well. It's just when it comes to this really bright pink. But what you can do with that, if you don't like that bright pink, you can start putting it on as a base, taking it, like just blending it into the crease there, and then putting this all over it, so you can't really see it anyway. So we'll see. So £4.50, I'll let you know what the original price is of this. So there will be another video coming up really soon where I'm trying these products on. I can't wait for that. There's just not enough time to try all these products from all these different brands that are kindly gifting me them. I just really appreciate you all so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.